Hi, all my friends at First Presbyterian. It's Mrs. Erickson here. The boys and I just came to the bird sanctuary in New Canaan to try to find some butterflies and caterpillars and see if we can catch any frogs.
Hi.
Let's see what we can do. This place is so pretty. It's green. Everything is blooming. There's some bird feeders out. And there's a stream. And this big pond here. There's Tommy. He's trying to catch a frog, I think, right now. And William's off looking for butterflies. Such a pretty area. Lots of flowers in bloom. Pond here. You can see Tommy over there. And this is the pond. It's got the reflection of all the trees. Look how pretty that is. If you listen very quietly, you can hear all the birds singing in the distance. Caught a fish. Look at that with his net. He's going to put it back in the water very carefully. Caught a fish and he's going to release it back into the water. There it goes. I just spotted a bat house. Look in the trees above me. You see it? I also spy a frog on a log. A lot of you know that song. Do you see it yet? Do you see it now? It's right there. I hope you guys had a great time with us at the Bristow Bird Sanctuary. We had a really good time. We didn't find any caterpillars or butterflies, but we're going to keep trying. We found some frogs and tadpoles and beautiful flowers and lots of signs of spring. And Tommy caught a fish, which was very cool with his net. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.